Welcome, everyone. I'm really excited to have you here. You're about to start your AI journey, and trust me, it's going to be awesome. In this series, we're breaking down artificial intelligence step by step in the simplest way possible. No stress, no complicated math, just clear explanations and real hands-on projects. By the end, you'll actually be able to build your own machine learning models and understand how AI works in the real world. So get ready, stay curious, and let's dive in. Because next week, we're already training our very first AI model. Let's go!
In today's lesson, we're starting from the very beginning. First, we'll break down what artificial intelligence actually is, in simple terms. Then, we'll see the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, so you always know which term means what. We'll explore real-world examples you already interact with every day, and we'll look at the three major types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. You'll also discover the complete machine learning workflow, from data to model training to results. And finally, we'll talk about the skills and mindset you'll build throughout this course to become confident in AI. So, what exactly is intelligence? It's our ability to think, learn, understand, and adapt, to solve problems and make smart decisions based on what we know. Now, artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about teaching machines to do the same thing. It's a branch of computer science focused on building systems that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, just like humans do. From Netflix recommendations and chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is already part of our everyday lives. Simply put, AI helps computers not just process information, but actually understand and act on it. Let's clear up one of the biggest confusions: AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the big idea. Any system that can mimic human intelligence, like Siri or a chess-playing computer. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It's all about algorithms that learn from data and improve over time. For example, how your email app filters out spam. And finally, deep learning is a special type of machine learning inspired by the human brain. It uses neural networks to recognize complex patterns, like identifying objects in images. So, AI is the universe, machine learning is a planet inside it, and deep learning is a moon orbiting that planet. AI is everywhere around us. In healthcare, it helps doctors detect diseases early. In finance, it spots suspicious transactions and prevents fraud. On social media, it recommends the content you'll love most. Self-driving cars use AI to understand roads and make split-second decisions. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa use it to understand what you say. And in cybersecurity, AI defends systems by detecting unusual behavior before it becomes a threat. Machine learning comes in three main types. First, supervised learning, where the model learns from labeled data. It's like a student learning with an answer key, perfect for tasks like classification and regression. Next, unsupervised learning. Here, the model gets no answers. It finds hidden patterns and groups all on its own, like clustering customers or reducing data dimensions. And finally, reinforcement learning. The model learns by doing. It gets rewards for good decisions and penalties for bad ones, just like how robots or game AIs learn from experience. Every machine learning project follows a simple workflow. First, define the problem. Know exactly what you're trying to predict or understand. Then, collect your data and prepare it by cleaning and organizing it properly. Next, train your model so it can learn from that data and evaluate its performance to see how well it's doing. Once it works well, deploy the model so it can make real-world predictions. And finally, improve and iterate. Because great AI models are never built in one shot. They evolve with every round of learning. To learn AI, you don't need to be a genius, but you do need the right mindset. Start with logical thinking and curiosity. Always ask why and how. Have a bit of math intuition, but don't worry. We'll keep it simple and visual. Learn some Python programming, since it's the main language used in AI. Understand how data works, because data is the fuel that powers every model. And most importantly, bring practice, patience, and creativity. That's what turns theory into real AI skills. Here's how we'll learn throughout this course. Each topic starts with simple slides to build your understanding. Then, we'll move straight into real coding to see those ideas in action. You'll get hands-on experience using Google Colab notebooks with clear, beginner-friendly explanations every step of the way. And to keep you growing, there'll be weekly exercises and small projects so you can apply what you learn and build confidence fast. We'll learn by doing. That's the best way to master AI. Remember, you don't need to be a math genius to learn AI. What really matters is curiosity, consistency, and the right guidance. In this course, we'll build your skills step by step, so by the end, you'll be confident creating your own AI projects. Let's keep going and have fun along the way.